Hi guys, happy Monday. Again, if this is your second time watching me today, if you watched that build a number activity. All right, so I want to explain what our little project is going to be it's going to start today and last for the next 2 weeks until school's out. And I think you're going to like it. We've done this for years and it's super cool and super fun. Obviously, it's a little different since you're not at school doing it, you're doing it from home this time. So what you guys are going to be doing is you're going to be creating your own math arcade game made out of cardboard. And what your first step today is to watch the video. You're going to click on the website called cainesarcade.com, and then you're going to click on the very first video on the page. And you're going to watch, and the video or the movie tells about how this whole thing came about, how it all started. So I want you to watch that. If you're more interested and you want to look down the rest of the page, there's more videos and more information about Caine and his arcades and other kids with their arcades. There's also some fundraising stuff on there, so don't worry about that part. Don't even look at that part. But look at some of the cool ideas and some of the things that have come out of this really cool project. It really goes along with our whole STEM theme and how at East Valley we're so STEM oriented. So after you watch the video, your task today is to think about what kind of math arcade game would you like to do. There's so many different arcade games that are out there. You see them in the store all the time. So think about what you would like to do. Mrs. Morgan's class, Mrs. Swafford's class, and I think Mrs. Pluta's class is optional, but our three for sure are doing it, and we're hoping once this whole COVID thing clears up, we'll have a day where we can all come to East Valley with your games and we can play each other's games and have fun with them. So I want you to think about that tonight. And the other thing you have to do, your last piece of the assignment, is you have to come up with 10 math questions, all on the same topic. Let's just say multiplication of division of decimal numbers. So you would have to come up with 10 multiplication with decimal number problems written out neatly on a piece of notebook paper or typed out. The other thing you need is an answer key. So you have to have an answer key to those 10 questions as well. I would like you to have your 10 questions and your answer key to me by Wednesday. I'm not going to check it. I just want to see that you have it and that you turn it in. I won't be responding to your emails by Wednesday just because I'm probably still going to be out of it from my surgery, and I probably won't be getting on my computer, but maybe we'll see. But go ahead and send me your questions by Wednesday. Any kind of 10 questions you can come up with about math and whatever your topic is. You might want to do fractions, you might want to do area, you might want to do long division, but anything, the math questions have to be things that we've learned about in 5th grade. So don't go into the 6th grade stuff that we've just learned, like area of a circle and area of a triangle, because nobody else would be able to do that but our class. You want to do things or pick questions that other 5th graders can also answer. Okay, so here, let me minimize myself. Here is Caine, and there's a picture of his arcade. So you'll click on a video when you go to the page that I mentioned, and you'll watch his video. So actually on the blog, if you click on this first cainesarcade.com, see if it'll come up. Here's what it's going to look like. A boy's cardboard arcade that inspired the world. So you'll scroll down and it's the very first movie, Caine's Arcade short film. So you'll watch that. If you want to, you don't have to. There's another piece, but there's also some fundraising parts of this in the end, so don't even worry about that. But it is kind of cool to just watch and see. There's all kinds of other information on this page. 5 years later, what happened to Caine and what's going on with his life. Kind of cool to see how his life changed and what this whole video arcade thing did for him. It's really cool. So if it's something that might inspire you, go ahead and look down the page and see what else there is to offer. Here's one of him 4 years later. So you can see what some of the things are that he's been doing. All right, so there's a whole bunch on that page, all inspired by this little 9-year-old boy named Caine. And we are going to be inspired by him. We're going to watch this first video. We're going to come up with 10 questions by Wednesday. Okay? I hope you guys come up with something good. I can't wait to hear about what kind of arcade game you're going to make out of cardboard. All right? Good luck.